Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for checking in. So today, real quick, just want to show you this easy, cool door latch for UTVs from Keep Smiling Powersports. And this is a real simple idea, and it's just designed to give you as much airflow in your cab as possible. And the way this thing works is really simple. So it's going to fit pretty much all UTVs. We've got it here on this Polaris. It's made from billet aluminum. And this is just going to actually help you prop your door open. And so to install it, it's just a matter of seconds. So all I do is just take this door latch or this Easy Cool, hook it to my striker pin, and then I'm just gonna close it on the latch. And then once you have it installed, what's nice is that to open your door, same as normal. Just grab your handle, pops right open. And there you go. So with it installed, it gives you about a 3-inch gap now. So when you're driving, you're just forcing air right through there into the cab. So again, if you're riding hot conditions and there's times when you wish you could just maximize airflow, this is a great little accessory to have. They also say that with this open, it's going to help minimize the amount of dust that you have swirling in the cabin to help eliminate some of that negative pressure. So again, if you drive a UTV in hot conditions, you're looking to maximize airflow, pick up one of these easy, cool door latches. Questions, comments, leave those down below. To grab one, click on the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. And as always, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel if you haven't already to stay up to date on videos like this. Last thing I will say is when you buy one of these, they come in a set of 2. So if you have a 4-seater, you would want to buy 2 sets to have all 4 doors. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.